first one, take it by half. Okay. And then like this, one side. Flip it over, the basic shape. Fold down. Flip it over, fold down again. Okay. And now you're gonna cut it off in the middle of it. Somewhere in the middle. That. And the other side. Cut it off in the middle.
Same thing.
Yeah, same thing. And on this top side, we're gonna fold it, invert. Flip over, same thing. Just fold it, invert. Okay. Open it up. Yeah, fold over this side. For the vortex of fluid dynamics. You're gonna take it in college. Okay. Okay, so that's the basic shape of it. This one is good already. Gonna be more fancy. Can cut it in the bottom just to look fancy. It doesn't have much with the aerodynamics. Cut one, cut two. Use this one to go up